people that are fighting the drug syndicate that are destroying our communities. But today, we want to fight a different fight. In the streets, fighting the crime. But staring criminals in the eye. I've chased drug dealers through the night. I took on this fight to protect South Africa's most vulnerable. But because I cannot stand by while criminal syndicates do as they please in this country. And because of this fight, I have become the target now myself. The same drug cartels that exploit our broken justice system. But I would do this again and again, as long as it means to protect our community. But this is the same fight. This is the same fight that brings me here at Tembisa today, where I grew up, where I went to school, where I played in these streets. But I come back today for a different fight. This time, it is to end the rot that has crippled South Africa's industrial heartland, which is Ekurhuleni. I want you to know very well that Ekurhuleni is the industrial heart of Gauteng. But the rot and corruption has crippled us. So Sizolwa.